Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can record your computer screen for free, really easy and very quickly. So the name of the program or software is called Camstudio. If you go to Google and in Google type Camstudio, Camstudio, click on enter, and then here where it says Camstudio free screen recording software, just click on that. And you can scroll down. It is a free software, but it gives you the option to donate if you want to. If you scroll down all the way, this is where you can download it. So all you want to do is just click download. I think this the software is available for Windows. I'm not sure about Mac users, so you might have to do more research on that if you're using a Mac. But if you're a Windows user, just click on download. Okay, so here it is, and if you click on the second part here, it says setup, Camstudio setup, so click on that. And then you want to click on run, and you want to click next, and here it gives you more things that it wants to add to your computer, but I usually just decline them. So this one is Binky Land browser, which I don't really want, and this one is follow rules again, which I don't want, and then just let it install. So I'm going to stop this because I've already got Camstudio. But if you are installing it, of course you let it run its course, and once the program has been installed, just click here, then you should see it here on your menu bar, or if you go to all programs, it should be somewhere here. So if you scroll down, here it is, Camstudio 2.7, and then just click on this movie looking icon here. So once I click on that, so this is the window that you'll get, and you can start recording your computer screen. The red circle here is to record, then you can pause and you can stop when you finish recording. Some of the settings that I use for my Camstudio are, I'm going to take you very quickly through the settings that I use. However, if you want a more detailed tutorial about how to set it up, which is again very simple but just more detailed, then I will link the video below, or once you upload or download Camstudio, the video will automatically show as well. But this is the video basically, which was done by Terry Lay Britton, and I will link him down below. Basically he's done a very detailed tutorial about how to set up Camstudio 2.7. But just to give you a very quick overview of what I use, you want to go to region, and here I usually select full screen, which just means that it records all of my screen, all of the computer screen. And for options, if you go to video options, I select XVID MPEG-4 codec. When you first download your Camstudio onto your computer, this video compressor will not be there, so it will be on Microsoft Video 1. And this is okay if you just want to record 10 minutes footage of your computer screen. However, if you want to record for much longer, like an hour or 2 hours, then you really need to get this XVID video compressor, and this just compresses your videos to a very small file size so that you can record for much longer. Now, it's not automatically on Camstudio. You'll need to download it from the internet. So there are places on the internet where you can download XVID from. However, I'm also going to link my XVID zip file, which is here. It's on my computer, but I'm going to link it down below in the description box. So once you download this XVID file onto your computer by clicking the link underneath this video, you want to go here where it says XVID, and then you want to run the program. And once it does that, you will need to restart your computer, and once you do that, XVID will then appear here, and then you can record your videos for much longer. Another way to get XVID is simply by going to Google and trying to find it on Google. I recommend using Jawo's Xvid download. However, there are some weird, I couldn't find the download when I was trying to get it again, and I had to look through my computer to get the one that I downloaded I think last year or so, because there are just so many confusing Xvid zip file downloads out there now. So this is why I'm linking mine below, because I know it's going to be difficult to find. Okay, so that's with Xvid. Another thing that you want to do is, once you've selected Xvid, is to then go to configure, and on default it's set to 4. You want to put it on 1. Click on more, and here on default it's on H.263, so you want to put it on MPEG. Click OK, and where it says other options, by default this is selected, so display encoding status, so you want to unselect that, you don't want to select it. Click OK, and that's good to go for your video options. Now for the cursor options, if you click on highlight cursor, you can then select a circle like I'm doing in this video here, and you can also select a color, and this is great for if you're doing tutorials and things like that. But if you don't want your cursor to show, just click on hide cursor. And for audio options, so I'm using a microphone, that's why I've got this checked. And if you're using a microphone, then just click here where it says audio options, click on audio options for microphone, and I usually select the microphone here and just click OK. And now I don't recommend recording from speakers just because it really doesn't work properly, but you can certainly give it a go and see if it works. Another thing that you can do is to hide flashing rectangle during recording, and I think most times when you just initially download Camstudio, it will show flashing rectangular, it will show some flashing rectangles when you click record, so you can hide them by just clicking here, and you can minimize the program, so the Camstudio box or window, once you start recording if you click here. Another thing you can do is you can select here use system default player to play your videos once you finish recording, and I'm using media player, so once I finish recording this video it will automatically play on my Windows media player, but whatever you've got it will automatically play on that. And you can also select or choose a specific place where you want all your Camstudio videos to be saved to. So if you want a specific place to save your videos to, just select it and then press OK. And that's basically how to set up Camstudio. I hope this was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos on how to YouTube and website better. Thank you guys. Bye.